Hello everyone, welcome back to our Vedic Astrology course. In our previous lessons, we learned about the 12 zodiac signs, the 9 planets, and the 12 houses. Today, we will study one of the most important concepts in astrology, planetary dignities. Planetary dignities help us understand whether a planet is strong, weak, comfortable, or uncomfortable in a horoscope. This concept is extremely important because a strong planet can give excellent results, while a weak planet may struggle to deliver its positive qualities. Let us begin. What are planetary dignities? Planetary dignity refers to the condition or status of a planet based on the sign it occupies. Think of a planet as a person. When a person is in their own home, they feel comfortable and confident. When they are visiting a close friend, they feel supported. When they are in a hostile environment, they feel uncomfortable. The same principle applies to planets. The sign placement of a planet determines how effectively it can express its natural qualities. There are 6 major dignity levels: Exaltation, Debilitation, Own Sign, Moolatrikona, Friendly Sign, Enemy Sign. Let us study them one by one. Exaltation, the highest strength. Exaltation is the sign where a planet performs at its best. A planet in exaltation expresses its highest qualities and operates with maximum power. It is like a king sitting on a royal throne. Exalted planets often give strong positive results when otherwise well placed. Exaltation signs. Sun is exalted in Aries. Moon is exalted in Taurus. Mars is exalted in Capricorn. Mercury is exalted in Virgo. Jupiter is exalted in Cancer. Venus is exalted in Pisces. Saturn is exalted in Libra. Example: a sun placed in Aries often indicates strong leadership, confidence, courage, and authority. A Venus placed in Pisces may indicate great creativity, compassion, romance, and artistic talent. Remember that exaltation increases strength but does not automatically guarantee good results. House placement and other factors must also be considered. Debilitation, the lowest strength. Debilitation is the opposite of exaltation. A debilitated planet is considered weak and finds it difficult to express its natural qualities. It is like a king who has lost his kingdom. Debilitation signs. Sun is debilitated in Libra. Moon is debilitated in Scorpio. Mars is debilitated in Cancer. Mercury is debilitated in Pisces. Jupiter is debilitated in Capricorn. Venus is debilitated in Virgo. Saturn is debilitated in Aries. Example: a debilitated Mars in Cancer may struggle with confidence, courage, or direct action. A debilitated Sun in Libra may create challenges related to self-esteem and authority. However, a debilitated planet does not always produce negative results because cancellation of debilitation, known as Nicha Bhanga, can occur. Own sign. A planet in its own home. A planet becomes strong when placed in a sign it owns. This is called swagrahi, or own sign placement. The planet feels comfortable and can express itself naturally. Sun owns Leo. Moon owns Cancer. Mars owns Aries and Scorpio. Mercury owns Gemini and Virgo. Jupiter owns Sagittarius and Pisces. Venus owns Taurus and Libra. Saturn owns Capricorn and Aquarius. Example: a Jupiter in Sagittarius often indicates wisdom, optimism, teaching ability, and strong ethics. A Venus in Taurus often indicates appreciation for beauty, comfort, and material pleasures. Mulatrikona, the special zone of strength. Mulatrikona is a special sign where a planet functions very efficiently. Many astrologers consider Mulatrikona stronger than an ordinary own sign placement. It is the working office of the planet. Important Mulatrikona signs: Sun, Leo Moon, Taurus Mars, Aries Mercury, Virgo Jupiter, Sagittarius Venus, Libra Saturn, Aquarius. When a planet occupies its Mulatrikona sign, it generally produces stable and powerful results. Friendly signs. Every planet has friends. When a planet occupies the sign owned by a friendly planet, it feels supported. Its results are generally positive and comfortable. Example: Sun considers Moon, Mars, and Jupiter as friends. Moon considers Sun and Mercury as friends. Mars considers Sun, Moon, and Jupiter as friends. Mercury considers Sun and Venus as friends. Jupiter considers Sun, Moon, and Mars as friends. Venus considers Mercury and Saturn as friends. Saturn considers Mercury and Venus as friends. When a planet is placed in the sign of a friend, it performs reasonably well. Enemy signs. Planets also have enemies. When a planet occupies the sign owned by an enemy planet, its performance becomes weaker. The planet may struggle to express its natural qualities. For example, the Sun in a Venus-ruled sign may face challenges because Sun and Venus are enemies. Mars in a Mercury-ruled sign may experience conflicts between action and logic. Enemy sign placements do not always create problems, but they reduce planetary comfort. Neutral signs. Some planetary relationships are neither friendly nor hostile. These are called neutral relationships. A planet in a neutral sign generally gives average results. Its strength depends on other factors in the chart. Combustion. When a planet gets too close to the sun. Combustion occurs when a planet comes very close to the sun. The sun's intense energy can overpower the planet. As a result, the planet loses some of its ability to express itself. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn can become combust. The moon is treated differently because of its unique relationship with the sun. Example, a combust Mercury may create communication challenges. A combust Venus may affect relationships or artistic expression. Retrograde planets, Vakri Grahas. Retrograde means a planet appears to move backward from Earth's perspective. In Vedic astrology, retrograde planets are considered powerful but unusual. They often produce results in a unique, intense, or delayed manner. Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn can become retrograde. The Sun and Moon never become retrograde. A retrograde planet often turns its energy inward and may create important life lessons. Why planetary strength matters. Imagine two people owning the same car. One car has a full fuel tank and a powerful engine. The other car has very little fuel and engine problems. Both cars exist, but their performance will be very different. Similarly, two charts may contain the same planets, but their strength determines how effectively they produce results. A strong Jupiter can provide wisdom, prosperity, and guidance. A weak Jupiter may struggle to provide these qualities. A strong Venus can enhance relationships and creativity. A weak Venus may create challenges in these areas. Key takeaways. Exaltation gives maximum strength. Debilitation gives minimum strength. Own sign placement provides stability. Mulatrikona offers special strength. Friendly signs support the planet. Enemy signs reduce comfort. Combustion can weaken a planet. Retrograde motion creates unique strength and expression. Planetary dignity is one of the most important tools for judging the power of a planet. In the next lecture, we will learn about planetary aspects, also known as drishti, and discover how planets influence each other across the horoscope. Thank you for joining this lesson. See you in the next class.